Hey, welcome back, campus, you 8th grade students, or those students who are taking Algebra 1. Remember, that's a high school requirement, to create a requirement to graduate from high school. You can take it as early as the 8th grade. Some kids are taking it even in the 7th grade who are taking advanced math. So we want to encourage you to take this opportunity to practice in Excel. And these are the standards related to the state of Florida Algebra EOC. And today we're covering in Algebra 1, how to write a variable equation. What's important is that you need to be able to write out equations with variables, and a variable means letters. And whenever we have letters by numbers, the math operation is multiplication. But also regarding whenever there's letters by numbers, we'll remember this rule regarding what is a coefficient, which is the number that's by the letter, like 2x. 2 is the coefficient. Just stuff that we want to keep fresh in our mind as we continue to improve on our algebra mindset. So in this particular one, which is a brief one, write the sentence as an equation. So that means that here's the sentence. 108 is the same as the product of 342 and t. These are some math words you got to remember. Product and of. Product means to multiply. So for multiplying, this 108 is going to show part of. How will we write this as a variable equation? Meaning that there's going to be a letter in here. And the letter that we're using is t. Whenever a letter is by a number, we know the math operation is multiplication. But since 108 is part of this equation, 108 is the same as the product of. So 108 would actually be like the answer. So it would be on the equal sign. So we're reading from left to right. Since it gave us 108 first, we'll write 108 equals 342, a number by a variable, because we're looking for the product, and that's the math operation, t. 108 is equal to 342t. That's what that is saying. Write the sentence as an equation. 108 is the same as the product of 342t. That means 108 is equal to 342t. You could have written it like this. But I read it from left to right as this because math is a sentence. So let's make sure we follow the rules and then keep it organized in our head. That this is the way they read it to me, and that's the way I have it written down. The 108 is the same as the product of 342t. So even here I have 342, and then I have the variable t, and a math operation when a number is beside a letter is multiplication, and therefore the term product applies. So I'm Mr. McDaniel, the standard here is Algebra 1. So when you go in to practice the lesson, you're going into Excel, you're going to go to I5 under Algebra 1. So I look forward to seeing you in class. You guys have a great day and remember to believe in yourself. Take care.